What is up, you new funnel hacker? My name is Blade Torado, and thank you for downloading the new funnel templates, your free funnel templates. You guys can upload that to Go High Level or to ClickFunnels right down below. Down below, you're going to see you can clone it directly to Go High Level, or you can clone it directly into ClickFunnels. Pretty simple. Guys, I also wanted to invite you to a couple other things that we have that I truly believe will transform your business. All right. So what we have is a full marketing in a package, right? A full marketing in a box. And if you click the button down below to learn more about Funnel Hacker Lab, Funnel Hacker Lab has over 300 different landing page templates, and it has a bunch of infographics, photos, video, white label video, royalty-free music, so that you can create your ads, so you can create your landing page to the best that it can be in order to convert at the highest conversion possible. In addition to that, what we also have is something I call the 2-week challenge, guys. In that 2-week challenge, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you exactly how to utilize that funnel, these infographics, and all these other marketing assets that we give you in order to get your next customer, your next client in 2 weeks, guys. In only 2 weeks, guys. In only two weeks, guys. So click the link down below, learn a little bit more about Funnel Hacker Lab, and join that 2-week challenge where we guarantee you. Wait, did you say guarantee? We guarantee you that you get your next customer, your next client, utilizing our assets and our training methods and our strategies to get your next client in 2 weeks. So make sure you click the link down below, check out Funnel Hacker Labs, and I'm excited to have you there. Peace out.